Welcome to the ultimate review of the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1, the kitchen appliance that will revolutionize your meal prep and cooking experience. If you're looking to simplify dinner, save precious time, and whip up delicious healthy meals effortlessly, then keep watching. This incredible device replaces 9 different kitchen gadgets, acting as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, steamer, sterilizer, food warmer, and even a sous vide machine, all in one sleek unit. Forget complicated recipes. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can achieve perfect results for everything from stews to cakes at the touch of a button, making weeknight dinners a breeze. Beyond its versatility, the premium stainless steel inner pot ensures durability, easy cleanup, and healthy cooking, free from non-stick coatings. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its intuitive interface combined with unmatched versatility, truly empowering home cooks to explore new culinary horizons without cluttering their counters. It's the perfect kitchen appliance for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone wanting to elevate their cooking game in 2025. Ready to upgrade your kitchen and make cooking fun again? Find the direct Amazon link to purchase this game-changing Instant Pot Duo Plus in the description below. Don't miss out on what many are calling the best instant pot for versatile, everyday cooking. For anyone serious about making incredible meals with minimal effort, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have addition to your home.